Hello? Hello? Okay. I would like to greet you all. Peace greetings from United Nations and United States of America to you all. And also from the American University and also the American and the United Nations University USA on my behalf as the founder and chairman of the American University and also the chairman and the chief chancellor of the United Nations University, take this privilege to honor all these distinguished guests, all the distinguished angels looking like personalities, those who have contributed to the society. They have done incredible works for the society, for the humanity, and on the recommendation of our local body, Indian body, and on the also the board of members of our university in India, they had recommended on a great man, my beloved son, Kalyan Ji Jana. He made me to come to India. This time it was not possible for me to come to India. We had a lot of other responsibilities. But then when he told me that I must come for this particular occasion, my ticket was all booked for Africa. And today we had a very big event in Africa. So I cancelled all my trip to Africa, and from New York I came directly to India.
That is the magic of Kalyan Ji Jana, a king of hearts. Round of applause, my dear friend.
Why I supported my beloved son, spiritual son, Kalyan Ji Jana, a young, dynamic personality, a young, very dynamic, not only actor, singer, I think all in one, all talents. You have the leadership qualities, plus so many other things which is having. I remember the day when I was selected for the Best Scientist Award in USA in the year 1991. 3 times, of course I never applied for becoming the best scientist, but 3 times they had nominated me. I rejected, I did not go to take my award as the best scientist. On the 4th occasion, APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he forced me. He told, I am coming to US only to support you. You must come and take this award because it's a big prestige for our India. So it's a great honor for me that APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president, that time he was a scientist of ISRO, he came to US and we stayed together for 10 days in one room. He came only to support me. Only to support me as an Indian scientist. So then I thought, that time, 1991, when APJ Abdul Kalam came only to support me, why not I should go to support my spiritual son?
My goodness. Round of applause, my dear friend.
By cancelling all my other tickets and all my other assignments of other country, I just came to support him. Let us give him a big clap, not for me.
दोस्तों तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट तो कहीं नहीं होनी चाहिए. 2 तालियां हो जाए.
He deserves a very big support, not only from our university, not only from my own personal capacity, but because of you all. You all have to support him. Already are supporting us. So make this Dubai program a very big success of 20th February. Enroll more number of candidates. Generally, I don't come if there is less than 50 doctorate. But only on a special occasion, only a few things. Only because of him, I have come over here, only to support. So please enroll more number of candidates for our Dubai program on 20th of February. You all can come with your families, and it will be a great, blessing. And also, it's a very great. It will be a fellowship for all Indians gathering together. As he told, लोगों को दिखाना है कि हम इंडियन कितने दम है. I also remember that when in White House it was announced for me the highest, the prestigious award from Barack Obama, the US President, the first Indian origin, my name was nominated. And I did not go for that award. I never applied for it. And then I wrote to Barack Obama, though I'm an American diplomat, American government has given me the diplomatic passport, but I did not go to the White House to receive the award. I just wrote to Barack Obama in the year 2014 that if at all, 2016, sorry, if at all you want to honor me, though I'm an Indian origin from Andaman Nicobar Island, Port Blair, because my family is from freedom fighter. My grandfather was arrested by the British government. He was put in jail, in cellular jail, Kalapani jail, for more than 30 years. So when I told Barack Obama, I am not coming to White House to receive this award. If at all you want to honor me in my country, in India. All the cabinet, they were thinking that this man is a mad guy. You all know that even for Indians, they are considered as third world country. All Indians. So that opportunity, we don't get that. So those people thought, okay, he's a man of, maybe lunatic guy. But then Barack Obama accepted that proposal. And he sent his High Commissioner to India. I came to India, and that highest award was given to me in India. As a model, we have established कि इंडिया में दम है, भारत में दम है, हम लोग में दम है, हम लोग मामूली लोग नहीं हैं. So with these few words of encouragement, we would like to now start a small function of this conferring the doctorate degrees. We cannot call it it's a convocation because only few numbers are there. But yes, maybe the few, but they all are talented. They all are the pearls. They all are the jewels. All are diamonds, more than diamonds. You have done the work for the society. We salute you all. So we would like to start this program. Now you can start one by one.
Thank you so much, sir, for your such a... Welcome to Berlin. Explore Berlin. दोस्तों तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट में कमी नहीं. Doctor of Social Work for Mr. Dhan Narayan Das. A universal historical day is happening in this wonderful Orchid Hotel. Now, I'm going to call upon our second doctorate of honor, and we are giving our doctorate of honor under the field of doctorate of engineering science, and she is none other than Dr. Nirmal Doba.
इनको अवार्ड देने के लिए गुरुजी के साथ आएंगे बाला सुब्रमण्यम सर एंड विशाल कपूर सर. प्लीज स्टेज पे आए. द बिगेस्ट फैशन डिजाइनर, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा वो है, मेरी द बिगेस्ट फैशन डिजाइनर विशाल कपूर सर एंड द बाला सुब्रमण्यम. आप गुरुजी के साथ मिलकर आप इनको अवार्ड देंगे.
He's Dr. Nirmal Doba. We are giving him Doctorate of Engineering Science, a Doctorate of Honor. My dear ladies and gentlemen, give it your hands up, put your hands together, and give him a huge round of applause. A historical day is happening today.
Dr. Nirmal
Doba. Dr.
Very
Nirmal
congratulations to you, sir, Dr. Nirmal Doba.
My dear friends, history is creating, तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट में कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए दोस्तों। मुंबई शहर को बरसात के लिए जाना जाता है और बरसात के साथ में आवाम के तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के लिए जाना जाता है। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Come on, ladies and gentlemen, historical day is happening with the auspicious and eminent presence of a historical excellency Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan ji. We are giving Doctorate of Engineering Science to Dr. Nirmal Doba. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Heartily congratulations to Dr. Nirmal. Heartily congratulations. Now I would like to call upon our third Doctor of Social Work. We are giving a Doctorate of Honor under the category of Doctor of Social Work, and her name is Dr. Tara Rampton.
मैं इस अवार्ड को देने के लिए मैं चाहता हूँ सर आप बैठ सकते हैं। एडवोकेट डॉक्टर शैलेश दुबे जी, शैलेश दुबे जी प्लीज आप ज्वाइन हो जाए। एंड वेरू जैन जी, डॉक्टर वेरू जैन प्लीज आप प्लीज इस अवार्ड को देने के लिए वेरू जैन आप बना दीजिए।
A round of applause for our DPIF National President, a handsome, the great gigantic personality, Mr. Bhairu Jain. Round of applause, my dear friends, for DPIF President, Mr. Bhairu Jain ji. Doctorate of Social Work we are giving to Dr. Tara Rampton.
नेक्स्ट अवार्ड के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहता हूँ सिकंदर सर, प्लीज वो स्टेज पे आए। एंड सर आप सिकंदर सर वो प्लीज वो स्टेज पे आए इस अवार्ड को देने के लिए। राम सिंह सर प्लीज वो स्टेज पे आए इस अवार्ड को देने के लिए। इज द वेरी राम सिंह सर इस अवार्ड को देने के लिए। और इसके अलावा विशाल भगत सर अगर है यहाँ पर, विशाल भगत सर नहीं है, विशाल भगत सर नहीं है। थैंक यू।
My dear friends, we have such a gigantic personality. Mr. Ram Singh Rathore is present over here. I would like to read out his accomplishments of honor. He is a president of Khelo Master Games Foundation, president of ESS, vice president of Maharashtra Gymnastics Association.
Namaskar. Chakrasila Wildlife Sanctuary is a biodiversity hotspot. It is an all-season destination.
Round of applause for Mr. Maitri Das. We are giving a Doctorate of Honor under the category of Doctor of Educational Management. History is making under the eminent presence of our Honorable, respected Excellency, Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan. Thank you so much, man. Oh, yeah. Now I would like to call up. Mr. Chitranjan Das, Doctor of Social Work. We are giving him Doctorate of Honor under the category of Doctor of Social Work. Mr. Chitranjan Das. Congratulations to Mr. Chitranjan Das ji.
Many congratulations. congratulations to Sir Chitranjan Das.
मैंने बोला इधर बाजू मैडम
Many congratulations to Mr. Chitranjan Das ji. We are giving him Doctor of Social Work, Doctorate of Honor degree. Thank you so much, ma'am. To each and every ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to Sir, this is 6. Yes, sir. My dear friends, as the history it has been made out today, I would like to read upon the achievements and accomplishments of Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan ji. He is the Chancellor of American University of Global Peace. He is the only person who had signed and had given Doctorate of Honor to 80 countries' prime ministers, and is coming down all on the way from USA to witness this global event. My dear friends, give it a hand, round of applause to Dr. Professor Madhu Krishnan ji. And my dear friends, I wanted to add extra icing into it. एक डिग्री होती है जो हम डॉक्टरेट की देते हैं, और हम बहुत सारी डिग्रियां देते हैं, लेकिन पर एक ऐसी डिग्री होती है जो दिलों की जीतने की होती है, और जो दिलों को जीतने की डिग्री होती है
VIP. So all VIPs, those who are representing different organizations, different sector, we know that behind you there are thousands and thousands of people. So you are the representative of thousands and thousands of people today here witnessing this honoris causa doctorate degree. And we believe that wherever 2 or 3 shall gather, the divine presence of God is also in midst of us. So, in the capacity of the chairman and the chief chancellor and the chief rector of the American University USA and the United Nations University USA, myself, Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan, would like to confer honoris causa doctorate degree right from this moment upon all this angelic looking, we call them the ambassador of peace. They are the ambassador of peace, as we are known for global peace. We are educating more than 30,000 peace builders every year throughout the world. And now these 7 people are also added in that moment. So, kind of excellence as peace educator. Our main goal is to produce peace builders and nation builders to make our nation strong and sustainable developed. That is our main focus, and I keep on traveling. He knows my spiritual son. He also knows Dr. Ranveer Ram Singh ji, a great personality in midst of us. He knows all our life. No, we travel mostly, my life is mostly in the suitcase. Only for this cause, to build up. Somebody can receive on her behalf. She can receive on her behalf. Okay. Yeah. So, we are keep on like angels, like ambassador of peace. We are keep on doing and propagating this message of uniting people, unity among the diversity, breaking all such kind of discriminations between all sect of discriminations like caste, creed, religion, or whatever it may be. So this is our main focus. So for such things, a nomination had come for the name for the Human Excellence Award and for the Youth Empowerment Leader Award for the Peace. And her name is Deepika Meenakshi. Deepika Meenakshi. I don't know whether she's here or not, but you can just come and receive that.
Deepika, please come to the stage. Deepika Meenakshi. Click on the first. दीपिका मीनाक्षी, आपको दिया जा रहा है एक्सलेंसी, the Doctor Excellency Award. No Doctor Excellency Award.
Your neighbors come from all the four origins, south, north, east, and west. Thank you. With your permission. We are giving you Youth Empowerment and Peace Ambassador of our University Award. Please touch. Our nomination has come from South, North, East and West Zone. And above all, Kalyanji Jana was also given a very strong recommendation to accept this in the last moment. Before I was coming, the last moment it was accepted.
The brand ambassador बोर्ड है ये. आप किसी को भी अगर आप अच्छा काम करते हैं, आप मुझे अगर मेल करोगे तो आपको एक्सीलेंसी, डॉक्टरेट नहीं, एक्सीलेंसी अवार्ड हम देंगे अमेरिका यूनिवर्सिटी से. आपके काम को देखते, अगर आप काम करते हैं, क्योंकि ये एनजीओ चलाते हैं, ये एनजीओ के साथ साथ में गरीब गांव में जा जाके वहाँ पर अपनी खुद के हाथों से खाना बना के वहाँ पे जाके खिलाते हैं, अनाज लेके जाते हैं. तो ऐसा ये सोशल वर्क काम करते हैं. बाकी ये मॉडल है तो मॉडल के लिए हमने उन्हें दिया है. सोशल वर्क इन्होंने काम किया है गांव में जाके. ये कोरोना में कुछ गांव में जाके उन्होंने काम किया तो हमें फोटो दिया, तो हमारा इन्होंने सर को मैंने भेजा, सर ने बोला हम इसको दे सकते हैं. तो ऐसा किसी का भी काम अगर हमें आप मेल करेंगे तो आपको एक्सीलेंसी अवार्ड आपको देंगे वो अमेरिका यूनिवर्सिटी से. इसके बाद हम जूरी का शुरू करते हैं. थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच.
क्या बात है. DPIF Miss and Mr. Indian Cultural Fashion Show 2021 certificates to Ma'am Anuja.